numerous countries around the world are still having a torrid time trying to deal with the rampant spread of the Omicron strain of COVID-19. Places as far-flung as Germany and Japan are seeing new daily infections reach fresh highs on a nearly daily basis. And this is all despite those two in particular being two of the world's most vaccinated countries.
And elsewhere in Europe, other nations are relaxing pandemic restrictions as Omicron begins to burn out, with deaths and the number of critically ill patients on a general downtrend. Our Kim Sang-min reports.
Japan continues to see a rapid spread of COVID-19, with its daily tally hitting another fresh high just 4 days after seeing record numbers. According to NHK, the country reported over 94,000 cases on Wednesday, of which more than 21,000 were from the capital city, Tokyo. Wednesday's tally is around 170 times more than what the country was seeing a month ago. The soaring figure has left Japan's 35 prefectures placed under a quasi-state of emergency, which may include restrictions on business operation hours and the halting of alcohol sales. Over in Europe, Germany has also seen its daily COVID-19 cases soar to a record high, nearing 210,000 on Wednesday. With this, the country's total tally has now surpassed 10 million. Despite the rising cases, Germany is mulling looser restrictions as death and hospitalization rates remain relatively stable. The country's public health agency reported 196 deaths on Wednesday. In fact, Germany is just one of many European countries to start dialing back pandemic restrictions. Starting Wednesday in France, mandatory mask wearing and work-from-home orders have been lifted. Switzerland is also lifting mandatory quarantine for people who come into close contact with an infected person starting Thursday. Meanwhile, in the U.S., the world's biggest COVID-19 hotspot has seen its COVID-19 death toll reach its highest level in around a year. Data from Johns Hopkins University shows that the death toll rose 39% over the past 2 weeks. This comes as infections subside, with the average daily figure over the past 7 days dropping to some 420,000, down some 44% from 2 weeks ago. Kim Sang-min, Arirang News.